Okay, so they kind of already they already cleaned the fish and stuff, but I like to do my own cleaning and stuff before I season it up. So I'm using my all-purpose seasoning. My fish seasoning. Cajun, like this is literally my I put this in everything. I can't lie. I put Cajun seasoning on everything. Alright. Then we're gonna go and chill. Gonna leave these to marinate for a little bit. So this whole time I turned the stove on thinking that my callaloo was steaming, and I turned on the wrong stove. So Mr. Medine child, turn on the wrong stove. And I wonder, oh, the callaloo now steam. This never did make no sense. Hi guys, I'm back, ready to put my fish on the grill. So the callaloo that I par cooked this morning and the fish that I seasoned, I'm gonna stuff them now, wrap them in some foil paper, throw them on the grill. You understand? So the fish is ready, all wrapped up. Wait, no, I'm lying. Let's see. What is that tail that's so sharp?
Oh, I cut it.
Hmm?
I cut it.
The fishes then ready to go on the grill. You know. Chef Fender splits.
Pass one of the tongues.
We can go on. This can go on with the road now. Can go on with the road. I'm have to wait. All right, tell me when you're ready. Waiting on the